Clint Womack has been in the real estate business over 10 years and is committed to providing you a professional experience throughout your real estate transaction. Open floor plan with designer finishes, custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, bars, and rain shower. Solid white oak flooring flows into the custom trex deck shaded by mature trees. An entertainer's dream with great gathering spaces throughout the home and outdoor entertaining areas. Close to Holladay Village, within walking distance of shops and dining. The master bathroom includes double sinks, Bluetooth shower stereo, rain shower, and Duraglass doors. A few extras include triple pane windows, Nest thermostat, smart garage door opener, steel flower beds, LED lights, high-efficiency water heater and furnace, mast double shower rain head, wet bar, and one water share.